So that is 3 for CLA 2. Okay, the CLA 2 portion, week number 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So, 1 minute. Okay. 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 It's okay. Okay. Maximum the CLA 1 mark entry will be today. Okay. Today is the last date for entering CLA 1 P1 for our lab. That is first 3 exercise. Record, observation. That is first 3 exercise what you practiced. Then MCQ test. Okay. So 3 things we will combinedly together. We will convert it into 10 marks. So already you know how to convert the marks and that. Okay. Some people evaluated that all 3 weeks. So a few more people. Okay, so a few more people is there. Okay, I will evaluate after this. Maybe you will receive the mail. Like maybe you receive the mail for marks. Yeah, this year we will receive the marks. Okay, so you are still so we can convert. Okay, already I written the I release a score for MCQ also. Okay, 10 MCQ people written for that for CLA 1. The 10 MCQ we are going to convert it into 2 marks weightage. Okay. So if we are getting 10 marks means okay, getting the 2 marks. We are getting 9 marks means we will get the 1.8 like this. Mark variation will be very. Then 2 marks. I yesterday I written the record also. Okay, so those are submitted the record. I gave the marks. Okay, maximum marks only. So submitted means I gave the maximum marks with the correctness. Okay, so that will be converted into 2 marks. Okay, so MCQ 2 marks. Then record 2 marks. Okay, totally 4 marks. The remaining 6 marks. So you perform now. You submitted an assignment like week 1, week 2, week 3. Okay, so that I am going to converting into 6 marks. You know your marks now. Suppose week 1 how much you got? About 10. Suppose week 2 how much you got? 10. Okay, week 3 10. Like ours 9, 8, or 9.5 means. Okay, so that mark totally. Okay, out of 30, that I am going converting into 6. So, okay. Okay, yourself we can calculate. Okay, so you know your marks for first 3 exercise, as well as you know your MCQ marks, as well as you know the record marks also. Okay, you people yourself calculate yourself, then convert into 10 marks. Okay, that is conversion I told now. So that 30 marks weightage submission assignment converting into 6 marks, then MCQ converted into 2 marks, then record converted into 2 marks. Okay, totally 10 marks. Only I'm going to enter the mark in URP. I hope maybe it will be visible or else that will be okay. Whatever calculation I won't increase, I won't decrease the marks. Okay, same marks whatever I got, I'm going to upload it in a ERP. It's okay. You can check it. If you have any clarification, you can text me. Okay, I will tell your marks also. Okay. Then one more thing I want to inform. Okay, so don't copy. Okay, don't copy. Found about more than 3 badges. Okay. So they interchange the answers. I don't want to reveal the name and all. So they interchange the answers. So okay, that means one guy did the answer, but another guy same answer. He different method, same copied, zooming in, then copied same answers did. Some people will copy the same answers. Okay, only changing the name. Okay, for them I awarded 0 marks. Okay, so hereafter if we're doing the same thing means okay, so full middle marks will be fully 0. Okay, I have evidence and all. Okay, I download all your files also. So don't copy. Whatever you know, try. That's what I also insisted to take a screenshot, okay, and upload it. Even though that same screenshot is uploaded, okay. So I didn't go too far. This one, converting PDF. The PDF is easy. We cannot find the like cheating. Okay, that's why I didn't encourage for PDF conversions. Okay, I told only for conversion in university exam as well as model exam. So hereafter, those who are doing in AutoCAD, take screenshot. Okay, with your bottom, maybe having laptop or computer will be coming take time now with the take time. Then we'll have evaluate. Okay, otherwise, don't evaluate your marks. Again repeating. Hereafter, those who are submitting in assignments, whatever coming assignments, like up to 10 weeks is na. So you have to take only screenshot. Those are doing practice AutoCAD. You have to take only screenshot with the date time. Bottom having the your system bottom having the date time will be okay with the date time. Don't crop the image. Okay, don't crop the image with your date time. Okay, and in addition, you have to write your registration number in the model window also. In AutoCAD, text command using text command, write your name, registration number. Okay, name and registration number. Suppose we are doing 4 pages or 10 pages. Okay, so all the pages you write your registration number. That is mandatory. Okay, otherwise I won't evaluate. Okay, I will evaluate only for less marks only. Okay. So if cheating is a found means I won't increase mark. I will only put 0 only. Okay, so this is the first and last warning, not for that particular people, all the classes. Okay, so don't cheat. Okay, whatever you know, just try based on your if you right or wrong, that no problem. At least for trying now, so for that I give some award marks. Okay, don't lose your internal marks. Okay, so the week number 4, 5, 6. Okay, any of you are people also asking extending. Okay, I'm also extending that date also, but be a genuine. Okay, don't copy your friend. Okay, have enough time. So we're not asking 20 questions, 30 questions and all. So even the week number last week, we have asked only 4 questions. That'll be I told. I also did in practice class also, okay, regular class also. That also will be coming within 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, if you people are new means you can complete within half an hour or 1.5 hours, maximum 1 hour. May complete the answers. Okay, but you people are not doing that particular lab time. Okay, so only for attendance or something only are coming are using mobile phone attending the class. Okay, so next week onwards we will be monitored seriously. Okay, so next lab class. Okay, coming lab class. Okay, must complete all the bending exercise. Okay, so you show your screen. We call randomly or number wise. Okay, I will call number. Just so that this is next class Monday. Okay, Monday everyone show your screen. Okay, present your screen. Okay, I will give some time, 1 or 2 minutes to each and every people. You must do practice, okay? Because of I don't know whether you people are practicing in the same lab class, okay? If you whatever discuss in theory class, only 4 questions you can completing within the lab class. Easy only. So the lab class also be connected with the GCR. So if you have doubt means we will discuss it on the day itself. You can finish the experiment, then you can upload it in a GCR. Okay, don't ask extending the time under hereafter you won't give. Okay, suppose if any reason extending in time, but this and all not a big issue. Okay, so completing 4 questions on the same day, we have enough time. Okay, again repeating, you have enough time. 1.5 hours is that lab time. Okay, so only asking 4 questions. Each question you get taking 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, you'll be taking only less than 5 minutes only. Okay, that we can complete within half an hour. You can upload the assignment on the same time, same day or stuff. Okay, so next week onwards, you're supposed to complete on the day exercise on the day itself. Okay, suppose the day order lab class is na, then I will evaluate for consider for 10 marks. Suppose the next day I will consider for only maximum mark 9. Okay, like this mark will be reduced. Okay, the first 3 weeks I gave liberally, I gave maximum marks 10 and all. Second week, third week, fourth and fifth week also I gave extra time. Okay, but you people are not doing based on your things. Okay, I understood. You people are not working on during lab class. Okay, so that should be changed. So for that, next week onwards. Okay, leave it first 6 weeks. Okay, yeah, remaining 4 weeks is there. Suppose 7th week if you are doing means okay, completing that is theory class over means I will post a question. We can do maximum duration next lab class. Okay, that is next day only. Maybe day are 6 is a theory class means day are 1 is a lab class. So in the same lab class, you must complete the what are the questions. Okay, only 4 questions maybe we will ask. That 4 question you can complete it on the same lab class. Yeah, if you are not completing, if not possible, you can complete it after class also, after 3:30 also. You must complete it and upload it on the same day before 12 o'clock. Okay, so same day order. What? Okay, then I will consider for 10 marks. I consider for 10 marks evaluation. The next day, okay, next day means I will consider only for 9 marks. So, okay, like this. One day is less means you can reduce maximum marks entering consideration. Okay, then if you have mistake is given, based on the mark will be vary. Okay, so that I'm going to follow for at least last 4 weeks. Okay, then only I'm going to give some proper evaluation. Okay, otherwise some people are submitting yesterday, some day yesterday, even the first 3 weeks. Then they are getting 10 marks. Then what is difference between you people and those who are completing on time? Okay, there must be difference. Okay, so the time and your work. Okay, your hard work is a difference between the marks. Okay, that will be okay. Leave it fast 6 weeks. Okay, even though yesterday also extended the time for sixth and fifth week. Okay, up to 24th, that is Tuesday. Okay, so that's why again repeating why people are not taking serious for the subjects. Okay, so you can complete it and you can go do summer works. Okay, that is a different method. If you're doing a extra time, that is for that also not good. Okay, because of this is a practice class, you can practice the same class itself. Why are people extending? Okay, some people are okay. Anyway, I appreciate you. People are completing everything, but on time, that is also mandatory. Okay, even though if you're going to future in any company or industries, if you're any working area, time is important. Okay, so you should completing everything on time. Okay, so you must practice. So okay, so for that I going to continue. Okay, so that is practicing. We are going to continue from week number 7 onwards. Okay, so leave it past. Past is past. So 7th week onwards. That is next week. Okay, so tomorrow next day also I have only practice only. So next theory class I will explain 7th week. That is week number 7 exercise. Okay, then remaining that 4 weeks 7, 8, 9, 10. That will be weightage. Okay, so weightage will be given based on your submission, on time submissions. Okay, then only maybe you have the difference between your internal marks as well as your grades. Okay, then there must be a difference. Okay, those who are doing on, because some people are completing. Okay, some people are completing the work, but they are sharing with your friends. Okay, so the friends they copying the same answers. Then you people are who is sending the answers, then who is receiving the answers, that both people getting 0. So kindly avoid. Okay, that's if you want to help me, you can help via that discussion. Okay, you just discuss via phone or some connections. Okay, social networks. Okay, just discuss the answers, but don't send your answers. So they are copying means okay, you also getting trouble. So okay, this happened for last 3 week, third week exercise. So okay, don't repeat again. Okay, don't repeat this. Don't follow this. This is not a good manner. So hereafter, I won't accept it without date time. The screenshot must be there. Okay, if you are taking photo also, no problem. But with the photo also, the date time should be visible in the and your answers. Okay, whatever the questions you did, either 4 questions or 3 questions. Okay, each and every question, your screenshot date time should be visible. Okay, those are doing anyway. You are doing only a lab system only, or your system only, or a laptop only. That time every system having the daytime time on the bottom right corner. So that should be visible. So okay, that should be visible. And in addition, you have to write your name, registration number, each and every questions. So question number is mandatory, as well as I'm not asking questions. Okay, just question number, your name, registration number is mandatory in each and every questions. Okay, suppose our
In
badge,
the lab record
each and
also.
every. Yeah, yeah, tell me, Chatas. Yeah.
In the lab record also, we have to write in every page.
Even though some lab record, I don't know, some people are so interchangeable. Okay, leave it. Okay, lab record handwritten. Only write the name, number, all the pages. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, that top corner will be there. Maybe we can write the top corner, write your name. Don't write all the pages. Okay. And then one more thing I also noticed. Yeah, another one more thing. Yeah.
After that, can you just give the dates of 4, 5, 6 experiment?
Okay. Yeah, okay. Anyway, date is anyway no problem. You suppose in future you go submitting manual means that will consider. Yeah, I'll give you the date for all 3-4 weeks. Okay, 4, 5, 6, and I'll give you date. Anyway, that time is okay. I'm not asking. Anyway, I'm giving enough time for writing everything and all. Okay, so next week I'll post a record. Okay, for week number 4 to 6. Okay, some people are confused. What is record file and all. Already I posted. Okay, so one more.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
Prithvi.
I did week 3, but I didn't do one question, sir. I did not add the PDF screenshot of the PDF, sir. Should I resubmit again, sir? You gave 7 marks.
How many questions? I asked 10 questions. Even though I
Yes, sir.
attached the question paper, na. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
You text me privately in WhatsApp. Okay, I'll tell you.
Okay, sir. Should I resubmit again, sir?
Yeah, that's not right. You just text me because today is the last date. Okay, and then we'll discuss the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Message. Okay, today is last day for entering the marks. Okay, the record file also some people are confused. It's okay, which is record file? Okay, they are attaching all the exercise as a combined together. Okay, that is not record file. Record file already here posted. Each exercise is done. Here I posted the record templates. Okay, record format. Each and every exercise have the record file. Okay. Only thing is you have to check the corresponding exercises. Okay, so both the first 3 exercises common. Okay, leave it. Okay. So here you have to write date. Date means okay, write the date. Otherwise leave it. Okay, then software is not occur. Then for this first exercise, okay, about engineering graphics, you have to write some few points. Similarly for about drawing advantages over the convention, that also write few points. Then here many people are doing some mistakes. Okay, not many people. I think 4 to 5 people. Okay. So you have to take any one question. Okay, we are suppose you're having 3-4 questions. Suppose I am explaining from past 60 week. Okay, you're having the 4 questions. You take any one question, not all the questions. Take any one question. You can write the outline, the objective conditions and all. Then freehand sketch you have to draw by pencil, not pen. Okay, so pencil you have to use. Okay, pencil you have to draw the freehand sketch. I am not asking all the questions. It's okay, you take any one questions. You have 4 questions, then you take only one question. For that alone, with that one question, draw the corresponding answers like freehand sketch. You can draw freehand also. Okay, you can, if you want to use scale, you can use scale. Otherwise, you can use it with pencils only. Okay. Then for that question alone, you can write the procedure. Okay. Then similarly, command use for entire weeks. That week, what are the commands newly used that you can write it here? Then results. Okay. One or two people also not writing results. Also, write results also mandatory. Okay. Write results. Results you can based on your aim. You can write the results. Okay. Then data submission also. Okay. Similarly, you can do follow for second week and the third week, fourth week and all. Okay. So some people are confused. They attached all 3 exercises. Okay, all 3 exercise answers. Okay, record means this is a record. Okay, then similarly for 4th week, other multiple project lines that will be coming here. Then 5th week is projection of solids 1. Okay, here one more thing remember for 5th week. Okay, so here now the little bit change because of this is a COVID condition. So we gave some little bit changes. Okay, that's why just I want to inform here now. Okay, 4th week. Okay, 4th week record is okay. Whatever multiple projection lines inclined to both the planes. Okay, that is our 4th week exercise. 5th week exercise. Okay, solids 1. Correct. That is prism. Okay, for that you can write the projection solid. I put one hyphen and 1. Okay, put hyphen and 1. So you have the prism and cylinders. Okay, so that will be pyramid and no need. Okay, pyramid and no need to write it. So this you can use it only for prisms. So, okay, only prism. Okay, then same copy, same thing. You have to take it one more copy up and down. Put it hyphen solids 2. Okay, yeah, change exercise number 6. Okay, so don't go to the this is different. Okay, this is only we are going to discuss exercise number 7 onwards. Okay, further I giving clear clarification. For fourth week, no problem. For record, I mean, explain about record writing. Okay, fourth week record, no issues. You can write this same. You can take same printout. You can write it. Okay. Fifth week, here you can do the modification. Projection solids 1. Okay. So here the only prisms. And just strike it out pyramids and all. Pyramids we are going to do for next. That is sixth exercise. Okay. You write only prisms. Okay. So draw only prisms answers only. Okay. Draw only prisms answers. So here, in addition, they are asking real-time example. Okay, first 4 weeks, no problem, no issues. So only freehand sketches. Here they are asking some real-time example. Okay, suppose if you are drawing any pyramid, I mean, from any pyramid means, you know the pyramid now. So okay, you can take it. If you know, if you draw the picture, you can draw a picture, or else you can take it internet. Okay, what is the pyramids? Egypt pyramid is like this. You can take some pyramid, real images, take photo and attach here. Okay, attach here. Or else you, first you can crop the image, attach here. Then you can take printout of this one. That is your wish. Okay, or you can draw. You can draw the same pyramid image from your hand. That is also okay. Okay, again repeating for this one. For exercise number 5, suppose 6. Suppose I take exercise number 6. Okay, further you can write it. Projection of solid 2. Okay, so same printout only, same this copy file only. You take it one more copy for exercise number 6. Change into 6, strike it out 6, then date you can put, then title put on -2. Okay, for 6 projection solid 2, you can draw only, just strike it out to some standard. Okay, only pyramid only you can draw, and that you can keep it, remaining you can strike it. So after use it AutoCAD only, you know, here you can draw, write it about prisms or pyramid. Okay, written on premise, you can write the prisms, but here you can draw. Okay, terminology, like terminology we know now. What is that? Apex point, slant edge. So that I shared in the PPT. Now same will be available. They can write that one. The real example for pyramid, again repeating, you can draw the same image. What you are seeing, suppose a Egypt pyramid image, you can draw the same pyramid or any example. Okay, not only Egypt. You can suppose type the pyramid. You may get the various images in the internet. Okay. You can take any one image, you can take the printout and paste it, or else that image you can copy and paste it here, then you can take printout of this one. Okay, that you can do any method. Sorry, which is convenient. Okay, you can do that. Same, we can follow the same method. Okay, so if you want to draw the same image, real image of pyramid, you can draw it in your hand, or else I want to take the printout, then you can attach it. That also you can do that, attach it and scan it. Okay, that is one method. Or else same image you can crop and paste it here, then you can take the printout. That is also your wish. Okay, getting a by. I'm explaining for exercise number 6. Okay, so same file, only take one more copy for exercise number 6. Change the title. Title means just put -2. For first exercise, same title, put -1. Okay, so corresponding you can change the name. Okay, for which one? Prism or pyramid for 5th one. Pyramid means 6th one. Okay. The terminology for prism means you can draw the base, longer edge, like this. You can draw the one prism, any prism, not only pentagon, hexagon, any prism you can draw it in 3D image. Okay, like this 3D image. You can draw all opposite sides should be somewhat visible. Okay, then you can take the real image of prisms. Okay, type prisms in net, you can get some real image of prisms. Okay, same thing you can copy here. Okay, then similarly for you have the 4 questions now, you can take any one questions. Okay, the question number 1 or 2 to indicate here. Then outline, what is the prism or pyramid, above or below, resting condition, whether it will be resting on HP or parallel to VP, like this, that you can write it here. Okay, if you request any other condition, write it here. Then same what you are getting the answers from AutoCAD. Okay, the answers you can write freehand. Okay, you can try it freehand. Then write the procedure. Okay, some few steps. Okay, then command used. What are the commands used for this corresponding week? Then write the results. The only easy only is not difficult. Maybe we'll be taking for record. We'll be taking at least half an hour or 1 hour maximum. Okay, time. Okay, any doubt for writing record for the exercise number 4, 5, 6?
Sir, what we do 6?
Yeah, tell me, Nikhil, yeah? The record should be handwritten, okay, not printout, typed one. You can take printout, then write it in your hand, then you can scan and send it, okay. Here,
The 6th record file where we do?
I'm not getting your questions, pardon once more.
6th record file.
We have to take the printout of the 5th one and then make it
Change
into
the
6.
topic.
Yeah. Fifth one, you take the 2 copies, pa. Don't go to sixth one. Okay, this is
Okay, sir. Okay.
okay. This is different. So I'm going to start because of we have this is first 5 weeks, the 6 weeks different. Okay, this and we are going to start the coming weeks. Okay, I'll show that. Let's start this also. Okay, wait.
So in the fifth one, we have to do prism thing, and then in the sixth one, which we have to do cylinder.
Better you can do sixth one. You can do pyramid. Here you can put some. That is better. Okay.
Okay, pyramid and prism. Thank you, sir.
Okay, this is a list of exercise. Okay. So the first 3 exercise, week 1, week 2, week 3, exercise number 1, introduction, conic section, fundamental, this everything completed, the marks will be entered today. Then you people are completed week, then week 4 is revision. Okay, we did revision for week 1, 2, exercise 1, 2, 3. Then week number 4, exercise number we discussed, okay, exercise number 4, we discussed the orthogonal multi, that is straight lines contained both the planes. Then exercise number 5, position of solids 1, prisms, position of solids 2, pyramid. Okay, so up to this we discussed it. So today we will revision. So week number 8 we will do revision from the first 3 exercises. We are not just will discuss. Then 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, the combination of solids 1, combination of solids 2, then section of solids, then brilliant drawing. Okay, so this will be the coming weeks. Okay, for that I have different files. Okay, so that's what don't take. Okay, whenever I'm the record file, I didn't ask till now. Okay, just I want to give some instruction. Then we can I'll upload the record file for submission. That time we can better you can write it in the correct manner. Okay. So the first 3 exercises over. Then 4, 5, 6. I'll upload it tomorrow or else. Okay. I'll upload it. Then same what we discussed now. Okay. 4th exercise can take same copy, no problem. But 5th exercise you can take 2 copies. Okay. In 1 copy you can give it for position solid 1. 1 copy you can give it for position solid 2. That is one is for exercise number 5. Another one is for exercise number 6. Corresponding the changes same. Okay. 5 means prism. 6 means pyramid. Okay. So you can draw the terminology as well as example fixes for the corresponding weeks. Okay. The same answers writing is vary for week number 5 and 6. Okay, the exercise number 5 and 6. Okay. You doubt for writing in the first 4, 5, 6. I hope I cleared your doubts and all. Okay, so writing records. Okay, kindly use the manual handwritten only. So don't use printout. For real-time example, you can take it, print out real image, or you can draw it, or else can paste it. Okay, that is your wish. Okay. But remaining that words and all must be written. Then figure and sketch that kindly use the pencil. Well, don't use the pen and all. Kindly use the pencil. Not all the question, any one questions. Okay. Why I'm saying we observed from your record for week 1 to 3. Some people are did all the questions. Okay. So you draw only one questions, free and sketch. That is enough. Okay. Any doubt, pa? Any doubt regarding record writing for week number 4, 5, 6? The exercise number 4, 5, 6. Okay. I hope people are clear. Then next, I want to discuss about this record file. Okay, till 3 more people have to submit. as well as week 3. Okay, I graded 50 people. Remaining 20 people, I will check it after this class. I'll check it. I'll return to you. You may check your marks. Then do 2 people. Okay, 2 people to submit. Otherwise, 0 marks only. Okay. Then second week, already posted many things in your group also. Same. Okay, so I'm on time. I will check it. No problem. And 3 more people to submit. Okay. 3 more people to submit. Then week number 1. Okay, again 3 more people to submit the week number 1. Okay, so what is difficult? I don't know. When we started this one, I think 1.5 months back, only asking lettering and dimension. If you have any difficulty, kindly inform me. Okay, so again I repeat. Okay, suppose if you are facing problem in AutoCAD, it's okay. Kindly draw it manually. What are the answers? That answers kindly draw it manually, like using scale pencil, drafter scale. We have just draw manually, then upload it. Don't copy from your friends. Okay, you have to do your own, because of in the exams no one will help you. Okay, even I also whatever you know the exams, final exams, that only you are going to write it. Based on that you are going to award the marks. Okay, for that practice is important. For observing the question is important. So that's why you have enough time for practicing as well as finding the answers. Okay, I don't know. I uploaded some textbook also. You can refer the textbook also if you want. Means you can share some other textbook. Okay, some other normal textbook also you have. You can use the textbook. Okay, at least give some time. Okay, so don't take easy like this. Okay, so many people, I think some God people not cleared the subjects. Okay, now they cleared it, but it will be real time. It will be difficult. Okay, because of that exam time and all, you must be concentrate in a correct manner. Okay, you can score easily. Okay, I can repeat it. You can score easily from this subject as well as you can fail this subject also maximum time. Okay, because of the right answer means may get the good marks. If we are wrong, partial wrong marks, we are getting some different marks. Okay, like this marks vary, so that I will tell you before model exam. But one thing is kindly practice. Okay, because which command you have to use for that object that forget means okay, that will be difficult. Okay, that will be difficult. Okay, we only help you for any difficult in using a software. That means doing exam type. The exam type, if you difficulty in software problem means will help you. But finding answers, solving answers is that in your hand only. Okay, for that you must practice. Okay, because some other labs and all no problem, we can do the right studying that whatever theory, or if you know the know some experiments. Okay, like physics, chemistry lab, you can do some perform the experiments, you may get some results. From the results you will get some marks. Okay, but this lab and all, you must know the answers. Okay, before solving the questions you must know the answer, then you can solve the answers like this. But the previous another lab center, you may after doing the experiments only you get some results. So, okay, so that will be difference. So okay, for that no need to do some practice. Like if you know that how to do it the experiments, you may get the answers for the physics lab, say then chemistry lab and all. You may get this stuff. But here you must know how to do it. Okay, how to start. Okay, which you have to start, which you have to finish it. Okay, what will be the answers future. Okay, so here this lab will be increasing your like imaging power. Okay, so you have to imagine, okay, which you will be returning like that and all. Okay, so kindly give some effort for this subjects. Okay, so now the middle of semester. Okay, maximum 6 weeks over. So okay, so till now if we have any doubt we can freely ask. Okay, that's what this hour is the revision hour. If you are facing any problem, command problem in AutoCAD, just ask. Okay, so we will clarify. We will clarify your doubts. Okay, even though if you have some doubt, but your friends also they don't know some, they will clarify your doubts also like this. Just share your knowledge here. So okay, anyway, that 3 people, you know that 3 people. Okay, so kindly post it. Otherwise, if you okay, no sir, I will get more marks in CLA 2, CLA 3, CLA 4 means okay, your wish. Okay, I don't want to mark good marks in CLA 1 means okay, leave it. Okay. Anyway, but
Please,
yeah,
those students not have submitted this tag name.
no, but I'm not getting at all. Repeat again. Let's wait. What's the problem? Atul? Atul, one more time. Maybe a signal problem, but I'm not getting clearly your voice.
So he said that those who don't have, those who have not submitted till now, you type that those names in chat box.
Yeah, I posted yesterday in the group. See, what is you can see here, no problem. What are you going to do? Anyway, these people's visible, lah. You know, no, you know your grades. You can check your this year. What are you getting? The same. Okay. So these three people still have not submitted. Okay. So that's why I'm telling now. So they will maybe will improve their CLA 2, CLA 3 marks. They don't want CLA 1 marks. I think so. Based on this, their interest. Okay. So for them they get 0. So I'm going to convert in the same marks. Similarly for week number 2. Okay, here also 3 people is there. The same 3 people is coming again here. Whether present apa Mugundan? Mugundan, are they available? Mugundan or Reddy? Chandrasekhar
Yes,
Reddy.
sir. Sir,
Mugundan, what happened?
sir, nothing, sir.
No, why didn't complete first is 2 exercise?
Sir, already finished, sir. I just need to submit, sir. That's all.
Huh?
Already completed, sir. Writing and I just need to submit it. That's all.
Okay, submit within 11 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We will lose the marks. I don't want to say that one. We will lose the marks. But kindly complete. I'll give some marks. Okay. First, but the remaining weeks kindly complete on time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the third week completed. Any difficulty? Any difficulty? You can text me in privately. Okay. WhatsApp. I'll help you.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, do we need to attach record files in AutoCAD with AutoCAD files for week 4 and 5?
No.
Okay.
No, record files you can separately. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that will be getting confused. Just don't think follow other classes. Okay, so our classes, I told now some for avoiding some misuses. Okay, so you can use only record file, writing handwritten. You can draw only record this and now. Similarly for remaining weeks, okay, completion, kindly use with the screenshot of this date. Okay, date and time should be visible. Okay, suppose they're taking the screenshot means that everything will be coming in the window. Okay, don't need to worry about the border. Border will be must be there. Okay, don't crop the image. Okay, then reduce the marks or give 0. Okay, so whatever you practice, the farther only I'm going to award the marks. Okay, so practice well. And why you worry about the marks for without practice? Okay, so just practice yourself, complete your exercise on time. Okay, then complete correctly. Then that is thing. Then you will get the maximum 10 marks. Simple. Okay, if you are doing perfectly, I am also giving perfect correct answers. Correct way I am going to evaluate everything. That's it. It's okay. So see, instead of that, some people I'm maybe going to stick for the remaining 4 weeks. Even though extend the time for remaining first 3 exercises. So for that, like misuse or something, so I'm going to maybe stick for not stick. This is also easy. You can complete it on time. We will show you a screen on the time. Maybe you will get the benefit. Okay, so you can do next day. You can do study for the next summer, next subject. Okay, on the day you can completing this exercise. Okay, that will be helpful. Okay, for you as well as for me also. Okay. Then similarly, exercise number 3, 2 people. Mugundan, your also name is Zara. You text me the Mugundan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if any difficulty, I'll help you, but we'll see. Okay. Then Reddy is there? Ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What happened, pa?
Sir, I will submit, sir.
When?
Sir, below
Any
11
difficult-
o'clock.
Any difficulty, you just freely talk. Okay, so anyway, if you are feeling uncomfortable, just reply me WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Clarify your doubts or other things. Okay. So kindly submit it. Okay. Okay. Marks,
Okay,
each and every mark is important.
Okay, sir.
Each and every mark is important. Like this, you can give some effort. Okay. Anyway, I hope 2 people will complete today. So I'll give some marks. Okay. I hope. Okay. Similarly for record file. Three more people. Okay, Mugundan, Reddy completed. Then Verma is there? 106. Vedmatsa Verma. Then Prakash. Krishna Prakash. 92. Any of your friend kindly inform him. Today again repeat it. Today is the last date. After that I cannot do anything. Okay, nothing in my hand. After if we're submitting the late night today or tomorrow means I cannot do anything. So today they locked it. Okay, they locked the URP for mark entry. So after that I cannot do anything. I cannot change the mark also. Okay. So marks I told again repeating that I will based on your suppose return the marks. Okay, based on your this mark I go converting into this is 30 means I go convert into how much? 2 marks. Okay, you will get two out of 2. Like this for all the exercise. Okay, so you can mute pa link Magesh. Ready, you can mute it also. So okay, pa. Any doubt? Then any doubt for how many people are there? Okay, any doubt? We'll discuss. So we'll take attendance. Any issues? Or any doubts? Or any commentaries? Problem? I'll help you.
Sir, we have to write date of record file on which date?
You know your date now. Which date you will conduct the class? That you can put it. Otherwise, I'll share it later.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you tell it once now so that everyone will write the same date.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll share the group. Okay, so after afternoon, I'll share the group. Okay. So I'm going to
Thank you,
evaluate
sir.
the remaining in 3 weeks exercise. After that, I'll share it the remaining. That is exercise number 4, 5, 6 date. Okay, 1, 2, 3, no problem. So 4, 5, 6, I'll upload the file. Okay, I'll uploading a completion file like this. You submit in like one single file. Okay. Some people have completed 3 file. Kindly submit. Suppose see. Anyway, many people correctly only. So you have to give single file. Like, no need to write this and all. Okay, if you're writing your wish, okay, that all I want to do. So like this. Date you have to put it, then here like this, you can convert in single file. Okay.
Sir, we have to put submission date also.
You know me submit. Okay, you know when you submit on that day, you can put it. No problem. It's not mandatory. Anyway, he submitted on 31st October here. Okay, so he also put the same date. No issues. Anyway, whatever is coming submitting here, that will be considered submission date.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whenever turned in, that date will be considered as a submission date. Okay. Okay, like this, you can have a single file like this. That's what I was expecting. Okay. You can spend at least some time for the subjects. Okay. So any issues from first to fourth, fifth exercise? I also submit uploaded here. I'll check that also. Exercise number 4. Till now 15 people had to submit. Due date already over. 11th November. Okay. So submit it. Similarly for okay, this is I extended time. Okay, so 24th Tuesday. So only 4 questions. I'm not asking extra questions. Extra question you can practice, no problem. But I asking only the first 4 questions. Okay. So kindly submit it. Don't copy. Again repeating. Don't copy because of when exams, no one help you. Again repeating. Exam you have to do your own. Okay, that time we'll know. Okay, suppose weightage with this only 50 mark weightage, internal marks, external marks is weightage 50 marks. Okay, so that will be decide your grade. Okay, so kindly practice. Then exercise number. Okay, then exams. Then here is again 40, 50 will be to submit. Okay, so anyway, time is that. You also ask only 4 questions, not all questions. The 4 questions kindly write. Suppose if you have any difficulty for your AutoCAD not working or something is problem is Monday classes Monday lab is at that time you can tell your name number. I'll allocate our lab system. Okay, you can use the TeamViewer, you can complete it. Or one more way is that you can if you know your friends working you can connect from your friend's laptop by TeamViewer, but you have to do your own, not your friend. You have to do your own using a TeamViewer software. You can practice it. Then take a snapshot. Okay, so don't friends not doing, don't accept it. Okay. So I hope everything I want to discuss this thing. I discuss everything. So if you have doubt, me just ask. Otherwise, I'll take attendance. You can leave. Okay, pa. Hope no doubt. Take attendance. The attendance has to kindly maintain, pa. Attendance has to kindly maintain 100%. Okay, don't calculate attendance percentage and maintain 80 or 90. Okay, if you have a medical issue, you can contact your faculty advisor, apply ML. Okay, or if you are attending any competition, something, you can apply OD. Okay, that you can that will be considered only for faculty advisors. Okay, you can contact faculty advisor for OD ML, medical leave or any like any problem, physical problem, or anything, you can contact your class teacher for. Otherwise, kindly attend the other class. Okay, the online class only you can coming and giving attendance. What is the difficulty? I don't know. Okay, kindly attend the maintain 100% attendance. 72 people only now. Okay. Any doubt, pa? Any doubt? Just ask. Otherwise, I'll take attendance. Okay. The next lab class also we'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss that answers. Okay, suppose we are not getting that answer, we'll discuss the answers. This is the next Monday. Okay, but answer attendance, Sadhu.
Present.
Okay, next. Just see your okay.
Present, sir.
Yeah, Faizan. Okay, next. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, for next.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Next. Brinda, 59. Okay, next. Janak. Yeah.
Present, sir. 69.
69. Another 69. 59. Then 60.
So 59 present.
Yeah. Next. Janavipa. Yes, seen. Kindly see your screen, but then answer it. 60. Janavi, I think she is there now. Yeah. Okay, I'll check it. Okay, the next 61. Ravi Kishore. Soyam.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next. Shubham. I think he is having medical issue.
Oh, bhai.
Okay, but next Aditya. So give attention.
Hey, తీరు చెప్పు.
ఇప్పుడే రావిష్ పెట్టుకుంది.
Aditya, wait, link, wait, Aditya. Next.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next.
68 present, sir.
Okay, 69. Okay, is given already. 70.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next. Priyanshu.
Present, sir.
Next.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay,
Present.
okay, but next.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, Saloni. Next. Shivagurupriya.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Vishav. 181. Vishav. Okay, next. Adarva.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Atyosh. Next.
Present, sir.
So can we leave?
Yeah, okay. Those who give attendance, you can leave. Thank you. We'll see you next class. That is Monday.
Present, sir.
Class. Okay, have fun. Okay, next. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Aditya. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Sri Krishna Prakash is absent now. Okay. Anyone friend can inform me about submitting the assignment center. Okay, Arushi. 93.
She is there, sir.
There.
Sir, she's present. Her mic is not working.
Yes, sir, she is there.
Okay, I'll check it out. Okay, but next day. Sarvesh.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Samreen, okay, next day.
Present,
Mugundan,
sir.
okay, but next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Makin.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay, should be okay. Next, Navid. Navid.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next day. Danishik.
Present, sir.
Okay, next, Abhirup.
Present, sir.
Okay. Next, Bhargav.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Sai Prakash. Okay,
Yes,
next.
sir. 139, sir.
Okay, but next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Shubham.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, wait. Chat box. Okay, 84. Wait, I will check it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Present,
50.
sir.
Okay, but next others.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Chetasri. Okay, okay, Aditya.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Deepanita. 90. Deepanita. No. Okay. Fatima.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next. Shivansh. 92. Shivansh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but next. Vaibhav. Okay, next. Shashank. Shashank. 292. Himanshu.
Present, sir.
377. Roshan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Aishi.
Present, sir.
Sir, 61 present, sir.